Weekly Wolf Warrior here. Okay, and today, my fams, we'll be playing with a slime. I'm gonna be trying my first satisfying slime video. Yay. So guys, I am no expert when it comes to satisfying slime. I only know how to play with slime. So here is one of the slime. And let's get into the video. Sadly, that's all the videos of slime I could gather. That these slimes do belong to me, and I got one of them from a seller. And actually, if you ask me what my rating would be, is 2 stars, because the foam keeps falling out, and it's not even like you're actually touching the real version. It's like you're playing with Play-Doh. Legit. But anyway, guys, I will see you in my next video. Like, subscribe, and comment. And tell me what you think about this video below, and whether I should do more, or whether I should just stop and delete this video. Thank you for your opinion, and goodbye!